All right, Burnbeck's back to do some in-text citation. All right, so we've got our paper, and as you can see, I've already got some stuff cited in this just to show me like where I've got it. This is an old research paper of mine. So anyway, I had actual books. So what you see here, these are all author's last name and then the page number where I got the information from. But the basics are going to be the same even though we're going to use internet sources. All right, so I've got my complete sentence, and then in my in-text citation, I need to prove that I did not make this up, that Macedonia was wrenched away in the Treaty of Berlin. And so I'm going to cite my source using parentheses, and I'm going to make sure that my period is on the outside of my parentheses. But what if your source did not have a last name? What if, we just got it from the World Digital Library on the Library of Congress. And so I may have gotten the information right here. And so let's say that I did. There is no author on here, so I can't use an author's last name. What I'm going to do is I'm going to use, this is the name of the article, not the Library of Congress, that's the name of the source. So I'm going to use the Congress of Berlin, 1878. And honestly, I can shorten this up. I don't have to type in, like, if on my sources, this is the only one that has the Congress of Berlin, then I can just shorten this to the Congress. But if I've got other sources that are very similar, I might have to use the Congress of Berlin, 1878. So let's go back into it, and I'm just going to go ahead and put, it was not that fellow, but it was the Congress. Now, if I have no other source that starts with the Congress, I can do that. But let's go ahead and say that I do have like other Congress of treaties. So I'm going to go ahead and put the Congress of Berlin, 1878. Of Berlin, 1878. All right, I do not have a page number, so let me go ahead and get rid of that. Because a lot of your digital sources will not have page numbers. That's okay, we just won't use a page number. I don't have an author, not going to use an author. Don't have a page number, not going to use a page number. But because this is the name of my article, I need to do one more thing, and that is make sure that I've got quotation marks around it. Boom! I have now cited my source, and I will be able to find, or your teacher will be able to find, the name of this source in your works cited page, which that will be another short video just to keep these videos shorter. So here we go. This is my in-text citation. Here we go. There's this is what I'm saying. One cannot write of the great powers without a few vital treaties, and then here are the important treaties that, and then I of course say why they're important. But here we go. Cited the website, well, the article from the website, by just putting parentheses, of course, because it's in-text citation, but quotation mark. I did go ahead and use the full thing, but oftentimes you can shorten this. And then quotation mark, in parentheses, periods on the outside. So if you've got an author, definitely put an author. If you've got a page number, definitely use that. But I do not expect, because we're using online sources, I do not expect you to have page numbers. So that's fine. All right, Burnbeck, signing off.